In southern Kandahar province, Afghanistan, power shortage is hurting the local economy. Elam Hakmal manages a milk processing plant in Kandahar's industrial park.
برق موږ نه لرو، زموږ ټوله برق چې دی په شخصي لګښت یعنې ډیزلان دي. همدارنګه په ټوله صنعتي پارک کې دا مشکل ډېر شته. موږ 300 فابریکې درلودې، خو اوس دغه فابریکو د کوټ په شمېر 100 فابریکې پاتې. که چیرې وضعیت دغسې جریان وکړي، شاید دغه فابریکې هم له منځه ولاړ شي.
Running factories need sufficient and stable sources of power, but in Afghanistan, almost all the infrastructure has been wrecked or destroyed by more than 40 years of continuous conflict. Now, the war may be over, but trouble continues. Unknown forces have recently attacked power lines to disrupt the supply to the capital city Kabul and other provinces. State news agency Bakhta reported that in the latest attack on power transmission lines, unidentified men blew up 3 pylons in the northern Samangan province on Sunday night. It's the second attack in a month. In the previous incident, unknown attackers targeted 2 pylons in Salang district of the eastern Parwan province. Power is yet to be restored to the area. Many war-weary and poverty-stricken Afghans blame the US military invasion of Afghanistan in late 2001, saying Washington during its 20-year military presence in the country didn't build any economic infrastructure, though it claimed to have spent billions of dollars here.